What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button so I can continue to bring y'all plays like this, and the YouTube algorithm will learn that y'all are rocking with content like this. So look, this is a project I brought to y'all yesterday. ShibariumPad is doing well right now. Last I checked, around 25% on the day in the green. Right now, we got a really good response on this video, so we're going to continue to cover this one. Now, if you missed this one, or if you're someone who's watching this one, or if you invested in this one, this is the updates that we have for today. So ShibariumPad continues to trend on crypto.com. That's extremely bullish. Now, you got to remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just bringing you the facts, the information, and it's up to you to do what you want to do with that information. Now, it says trending on crypto.com. Usually that's a really good sign. It says the SHIB army is strong and folks are taking notice. They got a partnership with a few different tokens that we just recently talked about on the channel. The bag, this is one that was up. You can check that one up probably by the end of this video. If you didn't see my review on the bag, go check that out. Also, they have a collaboration with Kindle Token, one of the tokens we talked about on the channel. They also say ShibariumPad has booked over 1 month of ads on the bag and will continue to collaborate for the best future of both projects. Also, crypto launch multi-chain. 66,000 followers are saying ShibP guys are the real one. Good job, teams. So basically, you know, we get some insight to people with credibility. You know, hopefully someone with that amount of following, you know, has a decent credibility. And if they're saying the team is good, you know, we got to try to pick up on those clues. Yes, the team isn't doxed. We don't know who's behind this project, but, you know, we got to try to pick up on as many clues as we can, so that way we can determine our confidence level in the project, because that can help us determine if we want to put, you know, $100 or, you know, $10,000 in a project. So ShibP is now listed on CoinMarketCap. $3.9 million market cap and $1.30 per coin. That was at compare cap. Now it's a lot higher than that. It says you can now compare ShibariumPad with over 3,500 coins. Oh, compare market cap. My bad, y'all. Not on CoinMarketCap. My bad. So crypto launch also says, let it be known that ShibariumPad ETH is right now in accumulation phase before the next run. This is the most important Shibarium coin to pay attention to right now, as it will give you access to more gems in the future. Trending number 3 on Dex tools. I like to look at projects that are constantly trending, projects that are already showing signs of having a strong community. So that way it's a little easier for me to, you know, have confidence if I can see a group of people already know things that I may not know. You know, sometimes, yes, you don't get the time to do a full, you know, thorough research into a project if you're aping or degen, you know, it's a degen play for you. But that's why we, you know, only risk what we're willing to lose in these projects. That way we can cover multiple projects without getting emotional or, you know, feeling bad if one of those investments or several of them go bad. So shout out to them. Shibainu News says, update, ShibariumPad ETH is right now in accumulation phase before the next run. This is the most important Shibarium coin, so that looks like a tweet that they basically sent out to you know, different platforms to retweet. Shib Army, or Shibainu News says, Shib Army, you are invited to be an early part of ShibariumPad ETH. This is going to change the crypto world. Please join the Telegram here. Also, let's see. Casual 25 ETH pump into ShibP. This is what I was paying attention to. Someone just dropped 25 ETH, which is basically $40,000, $39,041.60. But basically, we can round it up to 40,000. Someone just dropped that in there. That's a strong level of confidence. That shows us that someone knows something. So also, someone else says ShibP chart looking prime for the next leg up after consolidation for some time. It's time for the next bullish momentum, slowly growing by day by day. Lots of things preparing in the background. Don't fade. When it comes to projects like this, you want to only ape in, you know, if you have that risk tolerance. If you're someone that doesn't have the extra money to be able to do that, then don't do that on a play like this, because it's very, very risky. High risk, high reward. You can make a little money and you could lose, you know, the little money you put in. If you try to put in a lot of money, you could, you know, end up making a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. So you got to keep that balance. But their Twitter page is at ShibariumPad ETH if you want to give them a follow. Website ShibariumPad.fiance. So ShibariumPad.fiance. I did a review on this one yesterday. Go check out that review video where we went into the website. We went into a few other things if you're curious. Now let's take a look at the chart. Right now we can see it up 24%. So that's decent, you know, for the next day. Yesterday I believe it was around $2 and something cent to maybe $2.50. So now it's up, or it was around 260 maybe. So now it's up to $3.42. So congratulations to those that got in, got to get a little bag. It's all up to you whether you want to, take profits, sell, buy, hold. That's all on you. I cannot tell you what to do, but we can look at a few of these indicators, like our Bollinger Bands, and determine, what is this telling us. So we dropped the Bollinger Bands on there. Okay, the project still may be too new in order to, okay, so it's still too new for the Bollinger Bands to appear on the 4-hour chart. So by day, this project is only 1, 2, 3. This is only the third day this project has been out, so you're still very early if you decide to check this project out. Remember, this is not financial advice, not telling you to buy or sell. Also, let's keep in mind, if this is accurate, the last buy came in. I don't believe this is accurate right here. It has to be a glitch or something. But it says the last buy came in around 9 hours ago, a $4,000 buy. 10 hours ago, a $6,000 buy. 10 hours ago, a $9,000 buy. 11 hours ago, $1,600 buy. And then another 11 hours ago, a $12,000 buy. So keep that in mind. And we got a lot of other $1,000 buys down here as well. So either someone, could know something, or, you just want to be careful with this one. But we got $397,000 in trading volume in the last 24 hours, sitting at that 236. See, this is what I don't like about this one, this market cap level right here. This is why I say this is, yesterday we talked about in the video on, this is possibly a short-term play. And also, let's just double check, make sure we got the correct website, because this is, this is crypto. This is the real. This is how it really can be sometimes. You can be looking at the wrong chart. So I just want to double check, make sure that we do have the right chart. So remember, if you find yourself in a situation where you see the market cap just looking absolutely ridiculous, 200 and something $billion, like that's crazy. No way. And if it is accurate, that just means it has like maybe so many coins that, that's really a short-term project that you don't want to be too risky in. So let's see. So what we're doing now is looking around the website to see if they have the contract address posted anywhere, or we can grab it straight from the website. So we don't see it there. Let's see if we can find it in the white paper. Okay, so we found it right here. So we are trying to copy this. Okay, we could copy it from here. Okay, so the contract address is right there. We grabbed it from the address bar. Now let's go double check, because we could have the wrong contract address, y'all. See, so this is an excellent lesson live on the stream, why you want to double check and do your, due diligence, because this looks like it is the wrong contract address. So that's even a mistake on my part. So we're definitely going to take our profits off of that project, even though we did just get a 25% gain. While we're in the green, we're going to want to, jump over and make sure we get to the right project. So this is the correct chart. My bad, y'all, on that one. So this project is, but this is what, this is what crypto is about, the journey, about learning, preventing yourself from making, any major mistakes. And that's why we also don't put in more than we're willing to lose, because you can accidentally get the wrong contract address, or you type it in and you assume that it's the first one with the most liquidity. You could possibly be wrong. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th day of this project. So that's why the other project was only on the 3rd day, because it was basically a copy of this project. So what we're gonna do is get out of that project and actually come over to the correct one. We're gonna take our 25% gains that we have, lock that in, and just, simply move over. So right now it's at a 79-cent level. Let's see what our indicators tell us on the correct chart. So Bollinger Bands, so still too new on the daily chart. So we're on the 4-hour chart now. We can see the price has violated that that mid Bollinger Band. And once it breaks through that mid Bollinger Band, we know the next support level is the lower Bollinger Band, which we can see it found support with this candle. It bounced right off this lower Bollinger Band, and now it's trying to make its way back up. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to, continue its way, back up. We just have to, look at a few other indicators to determine like our relative strength index. Because if it's oversold as well, then that might be a sign for buyers to step in. So right now, RSI at a 48, not yet overbought, not yet oversold. So we're looking for that level where buyers are going to want to step in. And once they see it oversold, that's usually a sign for them to step in. So maybe around that 68-cent level is where we started to see it become a little more oversold, where buyers might have wanted to step in. Actually not, because our RSI is at the lowest point right now. So it might, violate this level here if we don't get enough momentum behind the project. But it does have $484,000 in trading volume in the last 24 hours. So that's a good sign as well, something we want to pay attention to. It says fully diluted valuation at $7.9 million. So this is more accurate. Remember that last one we seen said 200 something billion. That's usually a sign that something is off, with the project. That's why, we talked about that yesterday in the review video as well. So everything else we said stands true. It's just we're looking at the wrong chart. But like I said, it's a good lesson. 15% discount today on the real project. So good thing that we accidentally got the wrong one, because that one is up 25%. So now we can take that 25% profit and come buy the real project at a discount of 15%. So basically we saved that 15% loss we would have been down today on this project had we would have got in the correct one. And some of y'all might have still found the correct one, I'm not sure, but the one I got in was not the correct one. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit the like button on the way out.